there's a new monkey on holy message of the day is like this. I'm gonna buy a canine set. Oh my god. This brings you back to the Halloween 2021. Boo. Hey, it's me, Canine. Oh my god. Halloween! 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 This is a big real tag, but you're in an older version. Yes, I got the do-rag. I got every single one. Okay, let's do this. Be canine. Yes, I'm canine, but I don't want to be a copycat. Let's check out the very old Cave Wave. God, this was before Cave Wave. God, before that, Forrest was the only one with music. I didn't do Slip Slap. There were only 4 maps. Can't compare. There were only 4 maps. Oh god, those lights. We need. I want to fall. We want to fall. We want to fall. We want to fall. Yes. Time to get the golden mask. But it's about overrated cosmetics. God, those are too overrated. Boo. Oh, actually, you want to have do-rag. Do-rag, 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 do-rag. Actually, boo hat. God, they just went on and not thinking about. They didn't even think about Halloween 2022. They just go on and just went on to the Halloween update. God, we get flashback sales now. We get flashbacks. We get, mountains, clouds. Mountains, clouds, basement, beach, crystal caverns. OG canyons, and the best, second, and also the OG message of the day and Halloween 2021 cosmetics available during the summer. This is always my couture signing off.